Okay folks, someone tell me what this whine is. I've just removed power steering pulley and power steering belt. Air conditioner belt comes with that. Alternator belt. There are no drive belts on this car. I can see the belt tension, the timing looks pretty good, but it makes this whining noise, so here we go. Can you hear the whine? Let me change the whine. This car has new water pump, new tensioner, new belt, timing belt, new idler pulley. Everything's new. The whining started a few months ago. I thought it was the alternator. I changed the alternator out. It didn't stop the whine. I figured it was just new alternator's whine as well. Just being an idiot. Yeah, hit me.